Hello everyone. Let's go to the kids. Okay. When we were kids, जब हम लोग बच्चे थे तो सबसे पहले हम लोग एडिशन करते थे, काउंटिंग नंबर सीखा, एडिशन किया, सब्ट्रैक्शन किया, मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया, डिवाइड किया, डिवीजन किया। सो जो भी ऑपरेशन हम लोग करते थे वो पेरेंट्स को बोलते थे कि हमें एडिशन दे दीजिए, हमें सब्ट्रैक्शन दे दीजिए, हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन या डिवीजन दे दीजिए, मैं बनाऊंगा, या दे देते पेरेंट्स अपने से, आप बना के उसको चेक कराते थे, राइट? सो दे यूज्ड टू वेरीफाई दैट योर आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट। बट नाउ if I can say, or if I say that you can verify your result by yourself only, yes, we maximum of you all are maybe aware about that कि after the operations we can verify our result also that the particular operation is correct or not, in case of addition also, in case of subtraction also, in case of multiplication also, and in case of division also. So let us start with the addition only. हम लोग ने पढ़ा था कि एडिशन में मान लेते हैं कोई दो नंबर्स दिया हुआ है, आपका दिया हुआ है सपोज 16 plus 14. So 16 plus 14 is how much? So 6 plus 4 is 10, 0, 1 carry 30, right? Now let us see if you subtract 30 and any one of this. So suppose 30 minus 16 first. So 30 minus, if you subtract 16, then let me see how much will be the answer. 6 plus 4 is 10, so 4, 10, so this is 2, 1. So you can see when you subtract 30 with 16, you are getting 14. This is the answer which you are getting. Now let us see if I subtract this 14. So now 30 minus 14 if we do, then what? So 4 plus 6 is 10, 6 to 1. So then 16. So that means if you are subtracting this with this one, then this is the result coming. If you are subtracting this with this one, then this is the result coming. Okay. So these are the numbers which we are adding. These are called addends, and this is the sum which we are getting. Okay. And now if you subtract any one of these addends from the result, from the sum, you are getting the other sum. So this is only the verification of the addition. This is how you can verify if the other number is coming, that means your addition is correct. Okay. This is how we verify addition. Now in case of subtraction, what we can see? Let us suppose subtraction is 17 minus 12. So 17 minus 12 is how much? 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay. 2 plus 5 is 7 and 1 and 1 0. So 5. Right. So this is the difference we are getting. Now let us see if you add these two numbers, then what will happen? So if you add these two numbers 12 and 5, so what will be the result? Let's see. So 5 plus 2 is 7 and 1. So if you are adding this number and this number, then you are getting this number, right? So this is the verification of subtraction. That means this subtraction is also correct. And here also we have two terms. One is the bigger term from which you are subtracting, and one is the smaller number which you are subtracting, and the result which you are getting. So the number which is greater in subtraction में जो greater number होता है उसको हम लोग का बोला जाता है minuend. Okay, M-I-N-U-E-N-D. Okay, इसको बोला जाता है minuend, एंड इसको बोला जाता है subtrahend. S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. तो इसको बोला जाता है subtrahend. Okay, and the result which you are getting after subtractions, this is called the difference. इसको difference बोला जाता है. ठीक है. So after that we verify after subtracting this after adding this smaller number and the result. That means the subtrahend and the difference when we add, then we get this one, that is remain. Okay, and this is the verification of subtraction. So addition, subtraction. Now let us see for the multiplication also and division also, which we will see here in this chapter. Basically this chapter is for that only. So in case of multiplication, suppose I am taking 12 multiply 2. I am taking easy multiplication only. So 2 2 are 4 and 2 1 are 2. 24. Right? So if now you divide this by this. So if you divide 24 by 2, you will get this one. So 2 1 are 2. Okay. 4 2 2 are 4. So can you see? This is the 12. So 12. So in this case, in case of any multiplication, if you divide whatever the result, whatever the product you are getting with the number which you are multiplying with, then you will get this number. So this is the how you can verify the multiplication also. Now whatever we are going to learn about the verification of division number in this video. So let us learn how can we verify the division of numbers. Okay. Verification of division. So in case of division, let us take an example. एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं डिवीजन को वेरीफाई करने के लिए. Suppose 2 4 6. We want to divide this by 2 only, smaller number only. So 2 1 are 2, right? 0. So 4 2 2 are 4. 0. So 6 2 3 are 6. So now this is the result which we are getting 123. Okay, and this is the division which we are dividing. So about all the terms related to the division also we have learned earlier that the number by which you are dividing, what that is called, the result which you are getting, what that is called, what the number left with, what that is called, and the number which you are dividing, what that is called. So this is all about we have learned already. So if you multiply this and this, you will get this number. And in case of remainder, after multiplying this, whatever the number will come, you have to add the remainder also. So this is you have to multiply and this is you have to add. Okay. So the actual relation between these are, it will be divisor multiply quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. So now let us revise the terms related to this. This is the divisor by which you are dividing. Okay. Division. And this is the quotient which the result you are getting after the division. And this is the remainder which will be left after the division. And this is the dividend which you are dividing. So very simply आपको यही याद रखना है कि जब इस नंबर को इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, गुना करते हैं, और जो रिमाइंडर रहता है, जैसे सपोज यहाँ पे 0 है, तो जो रिमाइंडर रहता है उसको ऐड करते हैं, तो हमारा जो रिजल्ट आता है ये डिविडेंड आता है. और इसी से हम लोग का ये रिलेशन बना है. आप इसको कोई भी डिवीजन के साथ प्रूफ करके देख सकते हैं. ये कोई भी डिवीजन के केस में करेक्ट होगा, वो सही होगा और यही प्रोसेस होगा. अगर नहीं सही होता है, अगर ये दिस रिलेशन इज नॉट फिटेड, दैट मींस योर डिवीजन इज नॉट करेक्ट. तो इसके थ्रू हम लोग कुछ और एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे, वेरीफाई करेंगे that our division is correct or not. Maximum students used to do mistakes here in this exercise. They used to do the division only, they do not verify. तो अगर डिवीजन करते हो और इस तरह से वेरीफाई करने के लिए भी बोला जाता है, you have to verify also after dividing. Okay, so let us take some examples from this exercise. So here let us see some questions from exercise 6.3. Here the question is asking divide the following and verify the answer. We have already learned that if dividend comes after multiplying divisor and quotient and after adding remainder, if remainder is there, then we will verify that our answer is correct. So let us see some question. Question number 16 of your exercise is 459 divided by 9. So let us divide this 459 by 9, right? So the table of 9 we will read. Okay, so 4 9 are 36, 5 9 are 45, 5 9 are 45. So 0 9 here, so 9 1 are 9. Okay, so 0. So let us verify this now just by multiplying the quotient and divisor. Okay, so here quotient we have is and divisor we have is, divisor is equal to 9, quotient is equal to 51 and remainder is equal to 0. So these are the three things which we need. We will multiply divisor and quotient and we will add the remainder. So divisor is 9, so 9 multiply 51 or 51 multiply 9, whatever you will do, plus 0. So this first we will do. So 9 multiply 51 means 9 1 are 9 and 9 5 are 45, plus 0 means 0 कोई भी नंबर के साथ ऐड करो वही नंबर आएगा. So 459. So can you see 459 is equal to the dividend. Okay, so 459 is the dividend. So this is how this result is verified. इस तरह से आप वेरीफाई कर सकते हो सारे क्वेश्चंस को डिवाइड करने के बाद. लेट अस सी वन मोर हियर. 22826 this by 2. So 2 1 are 2, 0 8, 4 2 are 8. Okay, 0 2, 2 1 are 2, again 0 6, 3 2 are 6, 0. So here the quotient we get is 1413 and the divisor is 2. So 2 multiply 1413 or 1413 multiply 2. So 1413 multiply 2 plus 0 is there. So no need to write 0 के साथ ऐड करो तो 0 ही होगा. So this multiply this means 3 2 are 6, 2 1 are 2, 4 2 are 8, 2 1 are 2. So 2826. This is 2826 is the dividend which we got. So that means this division is also correct. So here also with this only we can verify that my division is correct. आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है कि because this dividend is equal to divisor into quotient, so that is why my division is verified or it is correct. So like this also you can solve by dividing, after dividing multiplying with the quotient and the divisor. If the dividend you are getting, then your answer is correct. If you are not getting, then it may be wrong. In the same way, you can solve the rest of all questions of this exercise 6.3 by yourself. Now we have next exercise, which is exercise 6.4. Let us discuss some questions from this. So here two questions I have taken. 19 and 20. So in this, very carefully listen this process, because in this type of question maximum of the students will should do the mistakes. ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स इसमें मिस्टेक्स करते हैं, तो ध्यान से देखिए कैसे बना रहे हैं। यहाँ पे 3620 है, 3620 और हमें डिवाइड करना है 3 से, ठीक है। तो इसमें सबसे पहले एक रूल्स हम यहाँ पे ध्यान देंगे। पहले तो ये 3 है तो बहुत इजीली 3 1 आर 3 चल जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा, 6 आएगा, 6 है 3 2 आर 6 चल जाएगा। यहाँ भी 0 है, अब यहाँ पे 2 आया। अब गेम यहाँ पे है और यहाँ पे गलती स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं, यहाँ पे ये गलती करते हैं नॉर्मली स्टूडेंट्स कि ये 2 लेके आ गया, ठीक है, 2 I have taken here carry, and when it is not dividing by 3 then 0 also we used to take, but if it is not divided by with one number, after carrying one number we have to put 1 0 here also। यहाँ पे 0 देना है तभी और दूसरा डिजिट आप यहाँ पे ला सकते हो। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रूल्स है ये, फिर से ध्यान से देखिए कि जब भी हम लोग एक डिजिट का डिवीजन करते हैं तब तक तो ठीक है, यहाँ तक ठीक है। अगर ये 2 की जगह पे 3 रहता तब भी ठीक था, या इससे बड़ा रहता या ये रहता तो ठीक था, लेकिन ये इससे हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं, जिसको हम लोग डिवीजर बोलते हैं। डिवीजर अगर इससे ज्यादा है तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अगर नेक्स्ट डिजिट और लेते हैं तो यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट डिजिट लेने के साथ यहाँ एक 0 देते हैं। इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि यहाँ पे 0 ये है बोल के दिया है मैंने, कोई भी डिजिट रहता यहाँ पे अगर हम लाते तो here we need to give 1 0। So this is the most important process to understand। And now 3 should 20, how many times 3 will be 20? 6 times is 18, so 3 6 are 18 and 2 is the remainder here। So 2 is the remainder here, 1 2 0 6 is the percent here and 3 is the divisor here। So if you want to verify, you can just verify by multiplying these two number and adding this। So let us see, after multiplying these two number and adding this, so 3 multiply 1 2 0 6 and after that we have to add 2। So to verify, we are verifying this। So let us multiply this, 6 3 are 18, 8, 1 carry, 3 0 are 0, 1, 3 2 are 6, 3 1 are 3, plus 2। So if you add this, 8 plus 2 is 0, 1 carry, 2, 6, 3. So 3620, 3620. So have you got dividend? 3620। So that means yes, definitely my division is correct। यहाँ पे फिर से मैं बता रहा हूँ, जब भी 2 डिजिट, एक डिजिट से अगर डिवाइड नहीं जाता है, 2 डिजिट लेते हो तो एक 0 आपको परसेंट में देना पड़ेगा, तभी आप कंटिन्यू 2 डिजिट जो है उतार सकते हो यहाँ, ठीक है। So now the same thing will do with this also। This is also the same thing। So 5 5 1 3 we have to divide by 5। So 5 1 are 5 0, 5 1 are 5 0। So now 1 I have taken, so 1 is smaller than this, so again we have to take one more digit। So for picking one more digit we have to put 1 0 in the percent and then we can take this here। So then it is 13। So 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15, so 5 2 are 10, so 3 is the remainder। So here percentage 1 1 0 2 and remainder is 3 and divisor is 5। So dividend you can find out after multiplying this and after adding this। So let us see। So 5 this is not 5 multiply 5 multiply 1 1 0 2 and you have to add 3। Very fine, है ना। So 5 2 are 10 0 1 carry 5 0 0 1 5 1 5 5 1 5 plus 3। So 5 5 1 3 5513 5513, this is the dividend। So that is how we can prove this type of question also after dividing that is correct or not। Okay. So now I hope you can solve these all exercise. So I am giving one exercise only as homework, which is exercise 6.4. So your homework is exercise 6.4. Thank you. Have a good time. Take care and bye bye.